YouTube, what's the deal? Today we're gonna do something completely different. Today we're gonna take a look at Doña Letis. It's Houston, Texas. They make surf and turf egg rolls. This is the most viral one. And then of course, can't forget their birria tacos with their consomé. Let's get right into it. Man, I haven't ate all day, so it's been a hit. Bro, I don't even care that my face is getting dirty right now, just to tell you, you gotta check this place out. I waited 3 hours to get this food. I've never waited that long for food. I guess it was really worth the hype. Bro, this is diabolical. The surf and turf egg rolls. You better have not ate all day before coming here, because when I tell you they give you a lot of food, they give you a lot of food. I even had their elote vaso in a cup. Even that shit was fire, bro. I had their margarita, the one that's like that lemon drop watermelon or something like that, with chamoy and tajin. Crazy. I also tried their fucking fried cheesecake, the Oreo one. I couldn't fucking sleep that night. I was so full. The next day I was still full, man. This shit's gas. That will conclude the end of this video. Check this place out. Don't hesitate one bit to go back. The 3-hour wait is the problem. If there ain't no wait, I don't know if I gotta get there early as fuck. I don't know.